Hi, I'm Nikita. Welcome to my happy place. So since my husband and I were both architects, our space revolves around two things. One is functionality and the second is things that we love. So I think I'll take you to the space that we love the most. As I was talking about it earlier, this is our happy place or our happy zone. I like to sit here on my laptop, maybe read a book, and then we have a natural sky, we have a skylight above wherein I like to take in the sunshine. As you can see, the other best part of this is, and in our house you're going to spot a lot of plants. We are big nature lovers, so you can see my areca palm here, and then this whole courtyard that I'm talking about is actually perfect to get in some of the light, some ventilation, and to get all the fresh air. Another element of this happy place is this customized light that has actually been done by my mom. We got this done specially for us. You won't find this anywhere. So what we've done actually here is that the inside of this is covered with plants and botanicals. So a little bit addition to that. We know how hot it's in Delhi, and as designers, we were looking for ways to control the temperature as we're on the top floor. For that, we incorporated a double height courtyard with a huge natural vertical garden wall. The courtyard actually has openable louvers on top too to control light or rain as required. Every corner you look and you will find bits of decor and elements that make us happy. In fact, it took us 2 years to collect the decor from places we traveled to. We are big fans of the TV show Friends and a lot of movies. So you can find Joey from Friends and the egg from Harry Potter. So I think the design inspiration behind this space was very confusing. We designed for a lot of people, but to design for ourselves was quite a task. So we wanted a space, with muted tones, and even if you flip a rug or let's say you flip the painting or the clock or cushions, you're in a new space altogether. So that was our idea behind it. We are big lovers of wabi sabi too, if you've heard about the Japanese concept. So we feel that beauty is in imperfections and asymmetry. We've done a random marble floor band here, but we've just incorporated textures which are inspired by nature. So if you look at our walls, they have that organic rustic touch to them. Even with the colors that we've chosen very earthy and warm tones. So there's a lot of browns, beiges, and all of the color that you see is actually in the plants and in the decor. So the living room has been planned in such a way that it's integrated with the kitchen. We were sure that we don't want the kitchen to be a separate zone. We want it to be connected with it, although you have that option. So if we want, we can just open these glass partitions and then the kitchen becomes a separate unit and the living room becomes a separate unit. But the main feature of this kitchen is actually the island. So it started off with as a zone which was comfortable for me to work on, maybe make pizzas when friends and family are over, but it turned out to be a bar. So whenever we have friends over, we have a party going on, everybody is just standing around it and this becomes the perfect space. What other thing that you can see here is the bar collection that my husband really likes. So how I was talking about functionality earlier, what we've done is every appliance or every item actually has a space for it. I have OCD and I really believe that I don't want extra things lying around on the shelf. So one of those things that we did was we've actually concealed our appliances in closed cabinets. Other than that, the kitchen is very functional. So if you see, we also have a space which is designated only for water bottles. So we have a pull-out wherein we keep our water bottles. So not just appliances or bottles, I've actually created zones in my kitchens, and one of my most favorite ones is my beverage drawer. So we are both big coffee lovers, so we've dedicated a drawer only for beverages. So let me take you to our master bedroom now. This is the space where we like to unwind, our calm space, as I would like to call it. It has all of the elements that we love to look at when we wake up in the morning. This wall is a representation of us, exactly who we are. It has paintings of architecture to talk about our profession. Then, because I love to travel, we have that. Music, cocktails, botanicals, landscapes, just because we want to look at it and it just sparks some joy in us. The decor of this space is very quirky. We have actually added 2 fat cats here. Then we have a panda doing that inner peace mode on. We have actually created again a reading corner here with natural light. The textures, as I talked about earlier, have those rustic elements to them. The room, again, if you see, has been designed in such a way so that when we age or as our thoughts change, we can just change the style of the rug or the style of the paintings. Maybe we can change the colors as well, because all of the furniture that we see has been manufactured in-house. So it's not going to be too much of a task to maybe just change the color of this. So now entering into our little bit of heaven, as we like to call it, our walk-in wardrobe attached to the washroom. We were going for the dark and moody vibe with customized flooring yet again to perfectly balance the blacks and the greys. So connected to the living room is the powder washroom. The door is actually concealed in this panel. So when you enter into our Zen space. So this space is truly Zen inspired. We wanted it to feel like we've stepped into a spa. So we've used a stone which has that beautiful fluted effect to it, and again those earthy warm colors to them. So entering into our multi-purpose room, or the future kids room as we call it. So we've kept it very dynamic because it's going to change later on into a nursery. We have a sofa cum bed at the moment, a chest of drawers for storage, a big study for when we are working from home, and then just little bit pieces of decor. Moving on to the walk-in wardrobe here, this actually has a very interesting feature. What we've done is, these are wallpapers. So if we want, we can later change this into a more fun one when it's a kids room. Thank you for watching this video. For more such content, subscribe to LBB's Homely newsletter.